it's Melissa. I'm here with Elijah. We're getting ready to do some fun Halloween makeup on her. I'm gonna go get ready while she talks a little bit about product.
Today we're going to be using our vitamin D serum, Benefit K. I really love it because I use it as a moisturizer before I put on my makeup. Gives it a really nice matte and smooth look. And then the best thing about Benefit is when you have your makeup on, especially during Halloween, if you're at a Halloween party, out trick-or-treating, your makeup might feel like it's getting a little cakey or there's too much going on. Best thing about Benefit is you can reapply over your makeup, won't smudge or ruin anything. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this baby and get started.
Cool. Let's have some fun. Doing Elijah's makeup. We did a quick, super easy little Halloween makeup, something that you can do at home if you get invited to a party for Halloween tonight. We hope you enjoyed.